AI-powered content creation? A game changer? In the digital age, content creation has reached a transformative milestone with the advent of AI technology. At its core, AI-powered content creation represents a paradigm shift, liberating writers from the monotony of mundane tasks and enabling them to focus on creative storytelling. Imagine a world where ideas flow seamlessly, and artificial intelligence works behind the scenes to enhance every phase of content development. This innovative approach not only accelerates the writing process, but also ensures a higher quality of output, ultimately capturing the imagination of audiences worldwide. As businesses strive to establish a strong online presence, the need for consistent and engaging content has never been more critical. Herein lies the brilliance of AI. It analyzes vast amounts of data, identifying patterns in consumer behavior and preferences. Consequently, AI can assist in generating tailored content strategies that resonate with target audiences. Picture a system that suggests relevant topics based on trending searches or enhances SEO compliance to maximize visibility. This tailored approach empowers marketers to create content that not only informs but also entertains, driving engagement and fostering loyalty. Furthermore, the collaborative synergy between humans and AI is a promising frontier. Content creators can harness AI-generated insights and draft ideas, which they can then refine and personalize. This collaboration enables writers to infuse their unique voices while benefiting from AI's efficiency. Imagine brainstorming sessions, where AI proposes several angles on a single topic, sparking creativity and fostering an environment where innovation thrives. Additionally, AI tools can optimize grammar and style, ensuring that each piece of content adheres to the desired tone and quality, like having a personal editor at your fingertips. However, the emergence of AI in content creation also raises essential questions about authenticity and the role of the human touch in storytelling. As machines automate elements of writing, the challenge lies in preserving the essence of human experience and emotion in the narrative. Businesses must navigate this delicate balance, ensuring that while they harness the efficiency of AI, they do not lose the relatable and personal connection that defines compelling content. As we look towards the future, AI-powered content creation stands as a game changer, ushering in a new era of possibilities. The fusion of technology and creativity holds the promise of transforming how stories are told. By embracing AI, businesses and creators can unlock unprecedented opportunities for innovation, engagement, and ultimately, a richer dialogue with their audiences. The question is not whether AI will redefine content creation, but how we will shape this evolution to align with our human storytelling traditions.